Hello and welcome to Worth It Reviews. This is a review of a Sigma 50-100mm F1.8 art lens. It's a zoom lens by Sigma for aps-c bodies, and this particular copy is for Canon mount cameras. They do make them for Nikons as well as Fuji, I believe. This lens is the equivalent of 70 to 200 millimeter lenses. The lens weighs similarly to a 70 to 200 millimeter lens. It's a tiny bit smaller, tiny bit lighter as well. This lens weighs 1.5 kilo and is 17 centimeters long. Diameter is 82 millimeters for the filter thread. This lens is extremely unique because of its wide f1.8 zoom, which is absolutely ideal for video making if you have a crop sensor camera or super 35mm camera. Also, this lens doesn't have weather sealing. Another thing that's unique of this lens is this built-in tripod collar that you can set on these 4 different positions and you can lock it in. That is very handy when you're in the field and shooting on a tripod, especially with a cinema camera. Also, if you're using RF mount body from Canon, you can adapt this lens, and if you have the Sigma dock, you can update the software and the autofocus is gonna work well on most of the cameras. I haven't had a problem with either of my cameras. And this is the lens from the widest to the narrowest point. It's very, very fast, very, very sharp as well across the whole zoom range. Also, this is how the lens looks like on a crop sensor camera. It's quite big, but it gets you pretty much all the same results as 70 to 200 on a full frame camera, so you don't have to get a full frame camera. Also, I would want to say the bokeh produced by this camera is absolutely excellent. So if you are worried about image quality, you don't have to be. It's gonna be excellent throughout the range. Overall, I would give this lens 5 stars. I would highly recommend this lens for anyone, especially for video shooters. This is a perfect lens for pretty much any setup, whether it's dark environment or not. If you'd like to purchase this lens, you can use my affiliate links down below. I would be very, very thankful for that. I'll see you in the next video.